Hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Mathilda. Well, today this is the look I will be creating for you guys. This is like the ultimate beat. Like, I love this eye look so much. It's just so dramatic and the lashes just goes very well with the look. I'm obsessed with this look. So if you guys want to see how I created this look, then keep on watching. Also, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video, and let's get into this beat down. Starting off with my P.louise eye base. This base is amazing, you guys should get it. Now I'm going to go in with that shade and I'm going to press it on my crease. Use that shade and blend the edges of the brown shade I applied. I'm going to use that shade to further blend the edges of the eyeshadow. I'm going to hold my brush at the tip so it can blend very well. I'm going to go back in with a red shade and further intensify it by placing it into the crease. I'm going to add that brown shade one more time to even give the look more depth. Going back in with the yellow shade to blend all the colors together. I'm going to add that color on my lid. I'm applying that shade on my inner corners. I'm gonna apply my Maybelline Fit Me foundation all over my face. So I always like to match my foundation to my chest because my face is a little bit darker. That's why you see the color difference is a bit different. So now I've applied my foundation to get an even base. Now I'm going to go in with my highlight and contour. So I'm going to go in with my LA Girl Pro concealer in the shade Cool Tan, and I'm going to use that to highlight under my eyes, my forehead, my nose, cupid's bow, chin. Added a lot of concealer because I wanted to make the eyeshadow pop. Or using a very light concealer underneath your eyes, it's just gonna make your eyeshadow pop and be even more vibrant. So now I'm gonna go in with my contour. I'm gonna contour the sides of my face to give it more depth and definition. I'm going to go in with my benign banana powder and I'm going to use that to set my face. I'm going to go into this color and I'm going to apply that on my cheeks for blush. I just applied my lashes from TL Cosmetics. As you can see, I love their lashes so much. This is a different style, so this lashes is giving this look a more dramatic effect and I really love it. I love this look so much. I'm just looking at myself and I'm like, oh my god, this is beautiful. This look has been very matte, as you can see, so I want to add some luminosity to the face. So I'm going to add my highlighter. You guys know the shade I always use. I use this shade for my Jaclyn Hill palette. As you can see, it has been used a lot, like it's almost finished. It has hit pan, so I'm going to be using that to highlight my cheekbones, my nose. Yeah. Wow, this highlight is blinding. Like, I know. Oh my god. Now I'm gonna add this lipstick from Estee Lauder. It's actually crossed right now and I don't know how that happened. So I'm just gonna blot a small amount of my lips. Quite glittery, I don't like that. And this is the final look, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, do not forget to subscribe to my channel, like this video down below. If you don't like it, dislike it, but all the same, like it, subscribe to my channel, and I will see you guys in my next video.